How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the HBI Auto YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a POV drive on this 2022 Ford Bronco Wildtrak with a Sasquatch edition. So when you walk closer to the car, you'll find that you have the Wildtrak badging here on the front fender of the car with the Sasquatch package. So with that package, you do get standard 35-inch tires and 17-inch wheels from the factory on these Goodyear all-terrain tires, and you also get 11.5 inches of ground clearance with this package. And on the outside, you'll find that you have this beautiful bluish gray exterior, as well as a bunch of nice black exterior pieces with this black grille, as well as the black bumper and a bunch of other pieces. You also do have Wildtrak here on the hood, right there with that little black accent towards the back of the hood. Overall, a very good looking vehicle. This is a 4-door Bronco, and you do have the soft top option, so you can fully fold down this top on a nice day if you're at the beach or if it's just a nice sunny day outside. So if you go to the back of the vehicle, you do have a bunch of room back here. You have charging ports, as you can see right here, and you can also plug something in, like if you have a laptop or anything, you have that port back there, which is very nice. Yeah, let's go ahead, hop in this vehicle, and let's go for a little drive. So the interior on this Ford Bronco is actually very nice. You have this nice leather steering wheel. You have a nice full leather interior with this grayish and black finish on the interior as well. So you can find that same color along the door panel and the dash of this vehicle. So one of my favorite things about this interior is you do have this awesome 12-inch digital display. So you can see right here for your infotainment system. You have wireless Apple CarPlay as well as wireless Android Auto. And you can control everything through this little screen. As you can see there on the back seat, you do have room to fit 3 people back there, and it looks to be pretty comfortable back there. I mean, these seats are finished in this very nice soft leather. And of course, this Bronco is 4-wheel drive, so you have all of your buttons right here for your modes. You have 2 high, 4 low, and 4 all. You also have more of your 4-wheel drive settings up here with these buttons, as well as your traction control button. So you can control all of that through here and switch it from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive down here on this little toggle switch. So with the Bronco Wildtrak, you do get a 2.7 liter 6-cylinder engine that produces 330 horsepower and 415 foot-pounds of torque. So you do have usable power with this vehicle, and for a truck that's pretty big, I would say that 330 horsepower is pretty adequate, and you're able to have that passing power on the highway, and it's not a complete slouch, unlike its competitors like the Jeep Wrangler. So let's go ahead and get on it. You're able to get up to speed whenever you need to. This Bronco is also paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and you are rated to tow 4,500 pounds with this. So if you needed to tow a boat or whatever it may be, you're able to do that with this vehicle. We can do a little 0 to 60 test here, just to see if it has enough power for how big this truck is. Miles an hour right there. Overall, this is probably one of the better packages you can get in the Bronco with this Wildtrak package and the Sasquatch package. Like I said, you do have your 35-inch tires from the factory with your 17-inch wheels. You have 11.5 inches of ground clearance, and of course, it's 4-wheel drive, and the interior of this vehicle looks just as good as what you see on the exterior with that awesome blue paint and all the nice black accents that you find. So while this is an off-road vehicle, you do still have some nice tech. As you can see, you have a 360 camera and a front camera to show all the different angles of this vehicle, which really helps out a lot. And you don't need a spotter anymore if you are going off-roading, and it just makes things a lot easier. So one thing that I do want to show with this vehicle, with it being a 2.7 liter twin turbo engine, this car does make some pretty awesome flutter noises from the factory. So I'm gonna go put this camera down, and you guys are gonna be able to hear that awesome turbo flutter that comes out of this Bronco. So if you guys are interested in this vehicle, all the links are down in the description below for you to get all the information you need on this 2022 Ford Bronco Wildtrak with the Sasquatch Edition. So that pretty much wraps it up for today's POV drive of this Ford Bronco. If you guys enjoyed what you're watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and if there's any other videos you want to see on this channel, make sure to comment down below and we'll be sure to make that happen. That being said, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.